Discover the fascinating story of how one of the oldest and most powerful pain relievers was discovered. It's no surprise that the indigenous people of North America were masters of the natural world. But did you know that they inadvertently discovered the first known pain reliever in America? Through careful observation, they found incredible healing powers hidden in the bark of the willow tree. Unlock this ancient knowledge and experience the power of willow bark for yourself. In this video, we will share its remarkable properties and how to incorporate it into your life. The best part is, you can enjoy its natural anti-inflammatory benefits without having to worry about side effects or drug interactions.
Welcome to Abundant Earth, the source for all things herbal medicine. Subscribe to our channel for concise videos on practical use of herbal and plant medicine from all over planet Earth. The following is not healthcare advice, explicitly for educational and entertainment purposes.
Willow bark or Salix nigra is one of the oldest medicinal herbs known to man. For centuries, Native Americans have been using willow bark as a medicinal herb to treat various ailments. But the true story of how it was first discovered in America is an intriguing one. It all started when a group of Native American hunters were tracking an animal. They noticed that the trunks of some trees were growing underwater and had a unique smell. Upon further investigation, they realized that breaking past the exterior to the willow bark had many healing properties, including to treating pain, fever, and inflammation. It's all thanks to the active ingredient in willow bark, salicin. That was so effective for pain relief that early pioneers of modern medicine sought to create a synthesized version in a laboratory. The result, called acetylsalicylic acid, was discovered by chemist Charles Frederick Gerhardt. And in 1899, the German pharmaceutical company Bayer named it aspirin, which is still one of the most widely used medicines today. Black willow is just one of the roughly 400 different types of willow trees. A great question is, what is the difference between black willow and the most famous weeping willow tree? Well, for starters, the black willow is native to eastern half of North America while the weeping willow is native to China. The black willow is one of the largest willow species, which can grow to 70 feet high and between 30 to 50 feet wide, much wider than the weeping willow. The key differences are that the weeping willow grows with its branches drooping down toward the ground, while black willow branches are thicker and spread outward, with the rich brown-black color bark, hence the name.
Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe.
Bark of the willow tree is harvested and dried to make a powder or extract that can be consumed as a tea or taken in capsule form. You can harvest willow bark during any time of year, but it's ideal to do it in the spring because the inner bark is flush with sap and fluids, making the bark easy to peel from the branch or small tree. Research indicates that the concentration of salicin in willow bark is highest in spring, rising to as much as 12% compared to 0.8% in the fall. You can literally chew on the bark. Just under the exterior bark is the thin layer of interior bark. This is where the medicine is. The most basic way to consume is to simply peel off small strips of bark. Then just chew the strips, swallow the juices, and spit the bark out afterwards. Willow bark is the ultimate multi-hyphenate. It's no wonder why in recent years, it has become popular among athletes to help with muscle soreness. In addition, here are some of the many successful uses of willow bark. Can be applied topically for various skin conditions such as acne and eczema, or as an antiseptic to treat minor cuts and scrapes. The anti-inflammatory properties in willow bark can reduce the pain and discomfort caused by arthritis. Eases menstrual cramps. Willow regulates prostaglandin production and reduces the inflammation in the uterine wall that helps relax the muscles and reduce the pain. Just mix some willow tea with honey and lime. Promotes weight loss. Many weight loss supplements get better results when mixed with white willow bark, by increasing metabolism. Toothache. Willow bark's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties help in relieving sore teeth. By applying willow bark powder paste to the tooth or gargling with willow bark tea or tincture. Today, willow bark is still widely used to treat pain and inflammation, making it an attractive alternative to similar over-the-counter medications like aspirin. But because willow bark is made from medicinal herbs, it doesn't have the same risk of side effects. It can be ingested in teas or chewed and even applied topically on problem area of skin. And if you're not comfortable foraging, you can always just purchase ready-made willow bark in many forms. Of course, this is purely for research and entertainment purposes, and you should always consult with your doctor before using any herbal medicine.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Here at Abundant Earth, we strive to be the definitive source for all things herb and plant medicine.